So, for those of you who may not be familiar with those tunes, that's okay, they're mine. They're on a little EP I released about a year ago called Human, so you can check those out on iTunes or whatever. I don't need to shamelessly promote myself because clearly you've already come here and you've been so supportive, so the last thing I'm going to do is tell you to check some shit out. Oh, by the way, I have my nifty little Derek Chris Sleep so thank you for those who've been helping me out, and it's a pretty amazing world we live in, and I don't need to tell you guys, but between our social networking and all that stuff, it's fucking incredible. And the fact that some kid from the US, you put something on YouTube, is now before you in London, that's a gift that I could have never imagined, so thank you. This is a song I never play, but I played it yesterday for the diehards who seem to know what I used to do in high school. This may be a bit alienating for those of you who have no idea what the song is, but this song's called Sophomore. It's pretend. Yeah. And I'm pretty sure that one day you will meet me and you will see just how cool I am. But for now, I'm stuck as a sophomore. It's too bad. Tonight, we can watch The Breakfast Club. Is that alright? And I'm pretty sure that one day you will meet me and you will see that look in my eye. But for now, I'm blinking and I don't know why. She's noting all these colors clash, the clash of light and two. My braces are freezing over. I'm shaking for you. I can't wait till this is over and I'll fall in love with you. I've got a how you doing, baby, from you. How I wish that I could say that too. It's no wonder that you're underneath my skin. I haven't let you out since I let you in. And I'm pretty sure that one day you will leave me alone to find someone new. And I'll be looking back, I'll be looking down on the love attack eternal.